Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Believe it or not, today's video has absolutely nothing to do with skincare. However, I still think you guys will really enjoy this one, as I've just been receiving so many questions about my hair. What has been going on with my crown lately? Can we have the details? Or what? I would say over the years, you guys have seen me do a lot with my hair. Oh, if we go all the way back when, I feel like I was wearing my hair straight with like clip-in extensions at a time. I even rocked a short cut. Then we got to the curly fro. I feel like that one was definitely a favorite. I was rocking my fro for like years. Oh my God, the box braids. I was rocking braids, I'm not kidding, for a year straight. Like, I was doing nothing else with my hair but putting them in those micro braids. I don't know which one was my favorite. We're actually probably 50-50 when it came to the fro and the braids. I feel like a lot of people was feeling the fro, but so many people still ask me about those braids. And then out of nowhere, we get a 20-inch weave. My inbox these days is flooded with questions about my latest hairstyle. And I know we don't typically have these type of conversations specific to hair. However, hair is such a big kind of staple to my life. Being very specific to being a Black woman. If you know anything about Black hair and how it is intertwined with Black identity and Black culture, it really means a lot. When I change my hairstyle, it's almost like this deliberate decision to change some part of my identity. Along with my skin, it serves as a way to take care of myself. So to know that this conversation is now starting between the two of us, or I guess the thousand, it's a lot of us. I am excited to talk about it and give you guys the details, okay? So y'all can get right and tight, because that hair looked good. So as you can see, I am no longer rocking my 20-inch weave. Just for a time being now, it's coming back. I just had to get these ends clipped and get treated for a second. I just wanted to give you guys this sooner rather than later, so I won't be yelled at anymore. Drum roll, please. So for the last about 3 months, I have been rocking Indique Pure Curly in their 20-inch bundles. I got 3 bundles of this hair. I decided to style the hair in more of a partial kind of style, so where at least this part of my head, I won't necessarily say the entire top, but a real nice semicircle was left out and the remainder was sewn on up. This just allowed me to be a little bit more playful with the hair as it blended with my natural hair. As you guys can see, it's pretty long. Like, I'm so proud of where my hair is today, Lord, because we know we've been on some journeys. I went for the pure curly texture as it just seemed like the easiest to manage when I was envisioning the style on myself. I wanted a style that had that like messy, I just woke up out of the bed type of look. Not too tight, but also not too straight where I'll have to be applying some type of heat and curlers and stuff I don't feel like doing all the time. The pure curly was definitely a nice middleman where I had a curl that I didn't have to manipulate while also blending so well with the rest of my hair. I mean, daily I had people coming up to me like, "Oh girl, your hair is so beautiful. How did you get to grow it so long?" It's like, girl, this this ain't mine, but it look good, don't it? You see how it's blended? It looks good. So if you are looking for a texture similar to this, I would say go for the pure curly. And just so you guys can see what it's looking like in its most natural state, here she is. Look at her. I mean, the curl is just gorgeous, girl. Gorgeous. Hair remained so soft. Never had issues when it came to shedding or much tangling, given how long the hair is. I mean, like, it's 20 inches. Like, look at this. You can't even see it all the way down, girl. It's touching my hip. Do y'all see this? Look at my fingers. Look, it just go all the way to the end. Look. Look at that bounce. What if I just put it There wasn't any thinning towards the bottom. You know what I mean? Like, this hair kept this weight all the way through. Rarely do I find myself working with hair brands because we know hair just hasn't been a focus on my channel. However, what I have set as a standard or focus on this channel has been to always share and talk about brands that I genuinely support and believe in. And I must say, it's been a pleasure working with the Indique team. They came through for me so last minute. Their team is so responsive. They even have stores, guys. They have stores that you can go in and shop. If you live in New York City, I believe they have 3. I'm gonna double check that. I believe they have 3 in-store locations that you can like just go pick up your hair and not worry about the shipping order, and like, I get it. So I know this one was quick, but I wanted to shoot out all those details to you guys sooner rather than later. Again, okay, don't think that y'all won't see that hair again, because it's coming right back. Then perhaps we can do some type of styling video together, because you're gonna go out and buy that hair. Duh. Might as well make a group call. Thank you so much, Indique, for sponsoring me, okay? I absolutely loved wearing your hair, and I'm going to continue wearing your hair. I will make sure I have everything you guys need to know in the description box below, including their website, their Instagram, and a direct link to the bundles that I actually got. Okay, I'm gonna go.